Are you just starting your language journey in Spanish? If so, then this video today is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll go from sounding just like a regular tourist and beyond Gringo status to sounding more like a native Spanish speaker. So that's why today, I want you to lock in on these 5 greetings that every beginner in Spanish should know. And I'll give you 6 bonus greetings from all over Latin America. You'll sound way more natural and confident, even if you're brand new to Español. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Los saludos, or greetings in Español, are where Spanish learners either get stuck or get confident. Learn the right ones and watch how the floodgates open to real-life conversations in Español. Hola, soy Profe Don Omar, and for the last 25 years, I've been helping students, busy adults, travelers, retirees go from nervous to confident when it comes to speaking Spanish. Y el primer saludo tenemos hola. Simple, but powerful. Significa hello or hi in español. Y fíjate que la H es muda. And make sure to take note of the fact that the H's are silent in español. Por eso tenemos hola. Hola. Now, a quick note about the next 4 coming up. I want you to know that the time of day that these are used fluctuates depending on the country or region. Por ejemplo, tenemos buenos días. Y buenos días significa good morning. Repita, buenos días. Buenos días. Make sure you're looking at my mouth here and how I'm pronouncing the words. Buenos días. Y también tenemos buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Y buenas tardes significa good afternoon. Y el último, buenas noches. Buenas noches. Y buenas noches significa good evening. It also means something else. Y tú sabes el otro significado de buenas noches, escríbela en los comentarios, por favor. Y el último saludo que tenemos, the last greeting that we have right now, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Y ¿qué tal literally means what's up in inglés. Pero ¿qué tal also can work for how are you in certain situations. ¿Sabes otra manera para decir what's up in español? Si tú sabes, escríbela en los comentarios también. Don't go looking it up online or Google Translate or ChatGPT. If you know it off the top of your head, escríbela en los comentarios. It's super casual and very common. Mira esto. If you only use these 5, you'd already cover 80% of greetings in the Spanish-speaking world. Shout out to you, but I promised you more, so let's keep diving. If you're gaining value from today's video, be sure to give it a like and share it with someone you know who's also trying to become a better, confident Spanish speaker. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Earlier, I mentioned a time frame for when you used buenos días, buenas tardes, y buenas noches. So check this out. When it comes to buenos días and buenas tardes, the cutoff isn't the same everywhere. What do I mean by that? In most of Latino America, buenos días runs till about noon or maybe 1 at the latest in the afternoon. After that, people switch to buenas tardes, which stretches through the afternoon and often until 7 or 8 p.m. at night. Pero en España, es diferente. Lunch happens much later than it does in Latino America, like around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. So buenos días actually lasts a little longer. Only after lunch is when you start to hear people using buenas tardes, and it can run all the way through until 9 p.m. So here's the takeaway. Buenos días, short and sweet, morning only. Buenas tardes is your extended greeting throughout the rest of the day. Now I've got one last gem for you that'll blow your mind con estos saludos. Pero I'll get into that a little later. Mira esto. Here's where we get into the good stuff. Vamos a empezar con los saludos de los países alrededor de Latinoamérica. So depending on where you travel to or who you are speaking to in your community, these next 5 greetings will help you separate yourself from Gringo status and elevate yourself to quiero más práctica. Up first, y el primer país que tenemos, México. Bueno, check them out. Primero, tenemos el saludo ¿qué onda? ¿Qué onda? Which is equivalent to what's up in Mexico. Y tienes unos cuates o compas, puede decir ¿qué onda, güey? Which is like, what's up, homie? But remember, you gotta have some like really close friends to do this. Next up, tenemos Puerto Rico. En Puerto Rico decimos que la que hay, which means like, what's up, what's going on. Now, if you're looking for more phrases to get you in the game, check out my power phrase pack that has 35 high frequency power phrases that you can use instantly or real life conversations. They have the Spanish phrase, the phonetic spelling, the English translation to get you in the game ahora mismo. If I do say so myself, it's the best power phrase PDFs available in el mundo. So grab your copy today. The link is in the description below. El próximo país tenemos República Dominicana. Para ser honesto, be honest, aquí tengo dos saludos que me gusta mucho. So here I've got two greetings that I really like a lot desde la República Dominicana. El primero, dime a ver, como talk to me. What's up? Dime a ver. Pero mi favorito, lo más dominicano, que lo que. Que lo que. Which is similar to Puerto Rico, con que la que hay. It also means que lo que en la República Dominicana significa la misma cosa. It means the same thing. What's up? How's it going? Y ahora vamos a viajar a Colombia, where you could hear que hubo o que hubo pues. This is like a smashed version of the actual question que hubo, which is two actual words. Pero tenemos que hubo. Wherever you end up in Colombia, you're bound to hear this phrase in some form or fashion. Y el último país al que viajamos es Panama. Now this one is going to be a fun one. It's basically que pasa, but like with some letters switched around in it. Very interesting. It's got that pure sabor panameño on it. It's got that pure Panamanian flavor on it. It's super informal and it's used mostly amongst really good friends. Y la frase es que sopa. Que sopa. And look how it's spelled. It's even spelled with some flair on it. That's why I said sabor panameño. Que sopa. And it's like saying, what's up? Imagine walking into a room full of Panameños and you drop the que sopa. They're going to realize that somebody's really been doing their homework. Now, I always like to leave you with a Profe Power Tip, and today's Profe Power Tip is this. Don't just memorize these greetings. Attach them to the time of day or the person you're with. Say buenos días to a coworker in the morning, or drop dime a ver with a Dominican friend. When you connect greetings to real situations, they stick and you'll use them naturally without even thinking. So before I land the plane, let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. You learned the 5 essential greetings every beginner must know. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, y qué tal. Then I showed you 5 bonus greetings locals actually use. Por ejemplo, ¿qué onda en México? ¿Qué la que hay en Puerto Rico? Dime a ver, ¿y qué lo que hay en la República Dominicana? Que hubo en Colombia, y que sopa in Panama. These are just a few to get you started, as you may know many people of these nationalities, or maybe you're planning to visit one or many of these locations that we discussed today. Now think about it. With just these 11 greetings, you'll never be stuck at just hola again. Shout out to you. But greetings are only the first step. If you want to actually hold conversations, you'll need more ready phrases to go. That's why I created the Speak Spanish Now Power Phrase Pack. It's your fast track to sounding confident in Espanol. To get your very own copy, just click the link in the description below. Now, if you've enjoyed this video and you're ready to keep pushing ahead to learn more, check out this video right here where I show you why just learning random vocabulary words will literally have you spinning your wheels and I'll see you there. Soy Profe Don Omar, your guide to how to speak Spanish now. Nos vemos.